Jeff Kirui, KTN News.
6 people were killed on Wednesday in clashes between police and protesters. According to rights groups, hundreds others were injured, with some suffering gunshot wounds inflicted by the police. The human rights groups have faulted the police for allegedly using excessive force against demonstrators during the demos called by Azimio Coalition. And as Willie Lusige now reports, police are yet to release figures of the dead.
There was general calm in the country and little activity on Thursday as anti-government protest entered day 2. Most roads in major towns remained isolated and businesses remained closed, including Nairobi City, with less protest witnessed in areas such as Mathare, Kangemi and Kibra.
Watu wameingia kidogo town lakini si wengi, hata ukiangalia bado ile town yenye tunafanyanga tu watu walikuwa sahi walikuwa wamejaa, lakini sahi bado biashara mingi hazijafunguliwa.
Hii mambo ya maandamano imetu affect kwa sababu ile income tunapata daily haipo tena. Manake hamna watu.
Pressure has been piling on the police to give the official number of protesters killed during the anti-government protests. Data from human rights organizations indicate that at least 6 protesters were killed after being shot by police.
Anafanya biashara zake za bodaboda. Ni kijana ambaye alikuwa na familia yake. Marehemu alikuwa anaitwa Benjamin Mbi. Na ni kijana alikuwa na miaka 32. Mimi hizo ripoti zilinipata jana mida saa 7. Nikaambiwa kijana amepigwa risasi.
Civil society groups led by Amnesty International Kenya have condemned the alleged use of excessive force against protesters by the police. The data showing that 6 people were killed on Wednesday during the first day of the protest. The 6 include 1 person who was killed in Makueni and 2 others killed in the city of Kisumu. The deaths have been attributed to suffocation from tear gas and lethal shooting. Also, tens of people were injured after being shot as police battled protesters.
Kaambia kijana ameangushwa na inasemekana alikuwa anapigwa risasi na askari.
Civil society groups fear that the number of the dead could be higher. The Independent Policing Oversight Authority, IPOA, has said it is still receiving data from various parts of the country to enable them give a clear picture of how many deaths were recorded during the protests.
Kijana wa mwenyewe amelala chini. Nauliza kwa nini gai? Mam, Christine mguu. Kuangalia napata mguu hakuna. Kuangalia napata mguu hakuna.
Willie Lusige, KTN News in Nairobi.
Embakasi East Member of Parliament